Good day there, friends. Good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. Hey, today I'm heading to Sprout. Guess what I'm making? Jerk chicken. This is to commemorate the 58th anniversary of Jamaican independence. I'm doing something special today. Fresh ingredients. Let's head inside and see what we find. See you in a bit. Okay there, friends, so here I am. Here, getting some chicken. Oh, what do we have here? Farm fresh, cage free. All right, a couple of pack of these, and we'll be good to go. I catch you at the Spice Rock. Good luck. See you in a bit. Okay there, friends, so here we are. Got done shopping, back home, have the chicken cleaned up, chopped up and cleaned up, nicely scored, ready for the spice, and a red stripe beer in hand. Okay, so now, before I take a sip, cheers. Jamaican style, man, red stripe beer. And not to be remiss, my Jamaican's lead because I'm doing Jamaican. So, my friends, right now, as I mentioned earlier, we're doing Jamaican jerk. And Jamaican jerk modified. And I say modify. Why modify? I don't have the mangrove wood. I don't have the pimento leaves. I don't have the charcoal fire outside. So this is modified, but I'm gonna walk you through the spices real fast. All right, I'll be quick. Okay, in my jerk chicken today, I'm going for brown sugar. I'm going for scallion. I'm going for basil. I'm going for lime juice. I'm going for fresh ginger. I'm going for thyme, fresh thyme, garlic, and habanero, and salt, of course, red crushed pepper, cumin, coriander, chili powder, smoked paprika, cloves, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, And that's it. That's in a nutshell my spice. In a little bit, it's gonna go in the blender. I will not bore you with the blending. And then I'm gonna create the rub. So, here we are. Jerk chicken coming up momentarily. Hello there friends, so here we are again. After all the spices are blended together in this blender. Now it's time to rub it in. Really rub it in. The one thing that was left out earlier was my peanut oil, and I did add it. So that's a part of my recipe. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just blend everything together and watch me blend. And after blending, I'm gonna have it sit in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and then onto the grill we go. Let this baby soak in. Mamma mia! Look at that, nicely covered in the rub, in the wet rub, and we'll marinate, as I mentioned, for a couple of hours, and then on the grill we go. As I mentioned before, unlike Jamaica, where we have the authentic jerk, it's normally charcoal with layers of mango wood, pimento leaves, and all of that good stuff. Here it's modified. When life gives you lemon, what you do, you make lemonade. So that's my version of Jamaican curry chicken, Jamaican jerk chicken, man. I'll see you in a bit. I'll see you on the grill. Alright, dear friends, here I am. I'm gonna park this grill so I can get my jerk chicken on. Hey, don't forget what I mentioned earlier. The reason I'm doing this today is to really commemorate our 58th anniversary of Jamaican independence. And Wednesday, actually tomorrow, Thursday, I'm sorry, I'll talk more about it. I'll let you know what I'm gonna do. All right, so here we are. Oh, it'd be nice if I turned the gas on, wouldn't it? Alright. There we go. And the heat is on. Alright. Let this heat up a bit, and then I'll throw those chicken on, ready to go. Alright, so here we are on the grill. Oh man, just wonder when they're gonna invent smell-o-vision. You should smell the flavor of this. You should smell the aroma of this. I can't wait for them to get cooked, cinch. See you in a bit. Hello there friends, so here we are. Moment of truth. This is the finished product. Finally got done. This is Jamaican jerk. My way. Modified. Before I take a bite, I'm gonna cut into this piece and say, it wouldn't be right to use a knife, so I'm gonna use my hand this time, alright? I'm gonna break into it. Ha ha ha. Woohoo, baby. Nice and juicy. Ha ha. Take a bite. Yum, yum, yum. And I'd be remiss if I didn't say cheers with the red stripe. So there you have it, friends. It's a labor of love. Chicken is done. My hands are messy. But until next time, this is Jamaican in the Mood. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. And just one thing. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Very important. Alright, until next time, take care. Cheers.